fried rice. I'm going to teach you step by step. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to burn the garlic. It's actually not burnt. It's actually crispy and golden brown. To do this, you need 3 tablespoons of oil and also 4 garlic cloves cut very thinly. Okay? Frying the garlic. Now I'm going to keep away the garlic and I'm going to use the same in oil so that it has that garlic smell, and also I'm going to cook the vegetables and the egg with it. I have cut all the vegetables small. The vegetables are beans, 1 cup, 1 cup of carrot, 1 onion, and also 4 garlic cloves. So then first I'm going to switch on the induction. Okay. And I'm going to put the garlic inside. Okay. And then this will go forward. Mix it in. Very colorful. Now last but not least, the beans. Wow, very colorful. I have cooked the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. Remember, I used the garlic cloves, the oil for them, and now I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. Salt, pepper. I whisked 4 eggs together and added some salt. And now I'm going to cook the eggs. So now I'm going to first put 1 tablespoon of oil inside the same garlic pan. So then we get the same garlic smell. Okay. I have cooked the egg for a minute, and also make sure to mix under there because they can stick there. Okay. Now I'm going to take it out and put it on the side. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. The ingredients are the vegetables that we have fried, 3 cups of rice, and also the egg that we fried, also 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, some shredded chicken, then 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, and the crispy garlic. So first I'm going to put it in. salt and pepper. For if it's too unsalty or you want it a bit more spicier, it's optional to also put the chicken. If you're non-vegetarian, you can put. If you're vegetarian, you don't have to put. Now I'm going to spoon. I have mixed all the ingredients together and garnished the top with garlic. And also, you can also, if you have spring onion, you can put it. If you don't, it's okay. No, but you know, it's not okay, you not subscribe it. Now